won't be long before we'll all be there with snow.
Snow, snow. I want to wash my hands, my face, and hair with snow.
Oh, we're getting all the snow songs, and you know.
Bing Crosby in there.
That was a good one. They're all good ones.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I think that one's from White Christmas, I think, and not Holiday Inn. Yeah, that's White Christmas.
Yeah, so I mean, this isn't going to be a nuisance storm where everybody's out there shoveling and schools aren't going to get canceled. Don't go to closings on our website.
Just a little dusting.
But the first one is kind of fun, and it's the first one, and
it's fun and festive until someone gets an offender bender.
well, and then the turnpike proactively says we're going to lower the speed limit because we know y'all forget how to drive in the snow.
Totally.
So we're just going to get in front of this one.
Yep.
So,
and they also, according to Myler, he said the trucks were out, salting the roads for the first time this season too. So it's not it's a new thing. I mean, it's sort of new. It's the first of the year, so take it with caution. There it is, moving on into southern and western Maine, crossing the border right now. We've seen sleet go to snow, and it's now sticking on almost all surfaces, like decks, like trees, like bushes, the grass, you see it. Even some roads now that we're getting down to 32, Kittery Point. So this precip has a little pace to it, and it's able to overcome some of these milder surface temperatures out there. Like Sanford and Saco, you'll probably drop a degree or two, and the roads will get a little slick. Now, it looks as if it's snowing all the way up through about Lewiston, Auburn, over to, say, Wiscasset and Damariscotta. But a lot of this is just saturating the air. It's not hitting the ground yet. We call that virga. When it evaporates, disappears. It's in the cloud and it comes out of it, but by the time it gets to the ground, the dry air chews it up. But with time, it'll saturate and we'll start to get some flakes in Portland and eventually Lewiston, et cetera, up the coastline. Now, it's really cold in eastern and northern Maine. So it's midday when the snow showers arrive here. That's a warm part of the day, but because we have several degrees to go, the numbers will still be right around 32. Yeah, there'll be some sticking in these spots as well. Now, this storm is super, super weak. It's ragged, and it's only a few hours of precipitation, so it's not going to last all day. In fact, this afternoon's very quiet. And then tomorrow we get a cold front to pass, maybe a flurry with it, but more importantly, the weekend's going to be chilly. That air coming in from Canada keeps us in the 40s. Burst of snow for the morning drive, southern and western Maine. First, snow, slick roads, be cautious. Now, these steadier snow showers get up to Bangor by the middle of the day, and they start to thin out, as you can see. And across the south, milder air will be working in at all layers. So we'll end as some sleet pellets and some raindrops. And then here's your afternoon. Virtually nothing going on. Only snow showers will be up in the county at this point, so the evening commute will be much smoother. We'll be above freezing, too. Roads will just be damp, and it'll be cloudy out, and it'll be chilly. Here's the snow map. It's an inch or less in basically all spots, but you're going to see it. You're gonna notice it. It's going to be, peppered over the landscape. And it'll look kind of festive out there. And there will likely be some locally higher amounts away from the coastline along the New Hampshire border and into the higher elevations and hills. Tomorrow, there's the cold front passing. The weekend is chilly, but I think you're going to like it. Sunshine on both Saturday and Sunday, although I think Sunday's the better of the two weekend days. It's not the warmer, but it's the calmer one. No wind at all. Not a cloud out there. So if you're, moving around outside, doing some raking and some yard cleanup, it's perfect weather for that. And by the way, there are no storms in the pipeline right now, not into next week either. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet. Southeast winds will eventually kick up a little bit, 10 to 15 knots. This burst of snow ends with some rain showers midday and early this afternoon. High temperatures in the 30s. Tomorrow it's milder. It'll be close to 50, but it will be breezy, and we'll have a mix of sun and clouds. Weekend starts the same, sun and clouds, but colder in the 40s. Sunday's a cold day. It starts in the 20s, it ends around 40, but it'll be bright and sunny, and there won't be a breath of wind. Next week, real quiet. There could be a flurry Monday night into Tuesday morning, but I don't see a large system impacting us most of next week either. It might be the Thanksgiving week when we get our next chance, more formidable chance to see something of significance. So I'm fine with that. There's a lot. Will you? You'll be out of town?
I'm going to go to Peru.
Oh my gosh, you're going to
weeks.
South America, and it's summer there.
Yeah, I'm
excited. It's
excited.
going to be hot. Lucky you.
Wow, won't be snowing there. All right.
No.
We'll do Storm Center hits with you. And